Okay, hey guys. I want the lighting to get better. I want to get better. Okay, anyways. It is. I'm eating dinner late tonight. It's like 7 o'clock. But I'm just having a sausage dog. It is so dark. I'm not liking that. A sausage dog with homemade chili and ketchup. Having a sausage dog because you guys know I don't like hot dogs unless they're like the little red hot dogs. It is really bothering me that it's so dark. Ew. Why is it so dark? Okay, anyways, I'm starving. So we're gonna eat and to drink. I just have brisk iced tea, sweet tea, and I'm just gonna pour some in my little tumbler. These are only $1 at Walmart. The tea is only $1 at Walmart. Let that get cold. And I just made one just to see how I would be feeling. So let's get right into it because, like I said, I'm starving. It's like 7 o'clock. I usually do not eat dinner this late. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. So good. First off, I want to say thank you so much for us getting to 260 subscribers before I could even mention us getting to 250 subscribers. Our next goal is 300 subscribers. Also, a lot of people said that they wanted me to make a new channel to make different types of videos like vlogs and stuff. So I did make a new channel. The link will be in the description box. I also, before I uploaded this, it's already uploaded, I made a video that has the channel in the description box on that video. So check out the new channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. But like I said, I'll still be doing mukbangs on this channel. And I have uploaded a new video on my new channel already, so so good. It really is good, but the fact that I'm starving makes it 10 times better. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Tomorrow is Friday, which means that it's the weekend, which I'm not going to say I'm excited about or anything. It's just the weekend. I love this tea. They have the one with lemon, the brisk tea with like lemon. Um, well, I don't know. Maybe it's that one too. And they sell it in the can. Amazing stuff. Um, Also yesterday I received some good news. I got accepted into school again. Um, I'll probably talk about that more um on my other channel. Maybe not. If you guys want to know a little bit more about me going to college and my future plans and goals, let me know and maybe I'll do it. I'll talk about it in the next mukbang. Mm, yes. Did I drop some? How amazing. I did. Mm-mm-mm. This is exactly what I needed. Because I don't know about you guys, but the first sign of me being hungry is that my lower back starts to ache. I don't know what it is, why it is, but that's how I know I need to get some food in me immediately. Is that my lower back starts to ache so bad. Mm. Another weird thing about me is that only in the last couple of months did I start eating chili on my hot dog, because for all 19 years of my life, except for the past couple of months, I have eaten nothing but ketchup on my hot dogs. So comment down below what you guys like on your hot dogs. I know some people like chili and mustard and onions and relish and stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys like on your hot dog. Mm. 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 It's so good. Mm. Mm. This is so satisfying. Like, I can't even talk. uh, this is definitely hitting the spot. Ugh. Mm. It gets so hot in my room. So I usually do not have the lights on. Like, after this video, I will cut my TV on and just kind of lay in here and watch YouTube with the lights off, because like my overhead light in my room is kind of like a spotlight, and it puts off so much heat along with this lamp over here. Oh my gosh. Like, touching the lampshade is warm. The bulb over there is on fire. Like, it gets super, super hot. So, when I have both of them on, instantly my room goes up, I don't know, tremendous in degrees. Um, like within 5 minutes of having either one, and especially when they're on together, 5 minutes into them being on, you start to feel it. And that's what anybody who's ever came into my room when I've had either one of those on, they're like, whoa, why did it get hot so fast? Because the bulbs, the overhead light takes special bulbs. Like, they don't take regular light bulbs. They take some type of special bulbs. Um, but they are super duper hot. The bulbs up there, I mean, super duper hot. But those bulbs have lasted me a long time. Partly because I don't burn them that much because they are so hot. And but the lamp just takes regular light bulbs, but I think it is just the lamp itself that creates so much heat, because we get like just a pack of light bulbs, and we use them in the different lamps throughout the house, and they don't have that effect. They only have that effect in this lamp. So I think it's just the make of the lamp. I don't know, but they're hot. And plus I have on a long sleeve shirt, which isn't helping. Mm. It's so hot. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So that's it. I don't think I'm gonna eat that little piece because that's the little piece that's just bread. Um. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. And if you haven't already, go check out my other channel. The link will be down below. And go subscribe to that channel. See you guys in the next one.